Alright guys, so this is what we're going to be installing. Let me show you right now. Lo que le vamos a instalar. So esto es lo que le vamos a instalar. Is what we're going to put. It's going to go right here. I think it's going to make a big difference, to be honest. I'm a big OEM guy, but these trucks came with leather from the factory, so it doesn't matter then. There's nothing wrong with this one, it just rattles too much. So el problema, the fix that this one has, they put a bigger foam right here. Para que no se oiga el ruido, but it's gonna look badass, guys. But yeah, hopefully we know how to do it. I never done one, it can't be that hard though, but I'll show you guys. Let's get it. Alright guys, what you're gonna need is something that looks like this. Picks, hammer, vice grips. Más o menos es lo que van a ocupar, and a Sharpie. And you might be wondering, why do I need a Sharpie? I'm gonna put you on something real quick before we start. Les voy a enseñar un truco. Gotta move the seat so we have more room. Tenemos que mover el asiento para que no estorbe tanto. So what I did right here, apenita se alcanza a ver. That way I know where my seat was, because I don't know if y'all have that same issue, but I hate that when I clean my truck and I move it, I can never get it back to the spot I like it. It's like memory settings, if you ask me. You can't even see when you get far, that's the thing, but since we gotta move the seat, that way it saves our memory settings. This is the spring que tenemos que... So right here guys, aquí como pueden ver, tiene como un resorte. You need to find something that you can use to hit this thing. Este como un candadito. I don't know if you can see right there. That thing right there. Le tienen que pegar para un lado o para el otro, no importa. Para el lado que salga y luego vas a quitar este resorte. That's it, it's real easy. You gotta find out which way. Right, and then right, entonces este we gotta make sure que así como lo quitamos, just see right there, y no quebramos ni un clip tampoco. So si esta la queremos usar para otra troca, it'll work. So we kind of forgot how all this went, but bear with us, we'll figure it out. So este va a ir así, so... And y'all can see right there that it has like grooves. Tiene como unos dientes allí. Ese es para que se atore al final. So you're only gonna do it que esta llegue allí. here, and that's the teeth where it stops, and then you go to the other side. Tiene la misma distancia, it has that around the same distance. It was a little tricky, not gonna lie, pero... So right now, we close it, it rattles. But that's because we still gotta put this piece. So let's do that right now. Damn, you gotta close it hard now. Damn, mira. Rattle, you even gotta close it hard now for it to close it. You close it regular. You gotta. Damn. Me po.
Puros botones azules, los que meneo yo. Aquí en la finiquera ando siempre tranquilón.
Traemos la plaza, la balanza, si me pesa hoy. Mi gente siempre está al pendiente, si me marcan voy.
¿Qué quieres que haga si me apaga? Hice un garañón. Me pegué un baile de hielo que regañador.
Alright guys, I hope you guys liked it. Look at that right there, man. Makes a big difference. With the leather steering wheel cover, pero hace una gran diferencia y ya no hace ruido. That doesn't make noise, and you gotta close it hard. But yeah guys, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe, like if you like this type of content. Remember guys, we're also learning how to do this type of thing, so it's not a 100% how-to channel, because we're also learning how to do it. We're all learning. Todos estamos aprendiendo cómo hacerlo, cómo hacer este tipo de cosas. I think on the next video we're either gonna like show that car, or we might do something to the new truck that we have in the garage, pero I don't know. Stay tuned. Right now we're gonna go get some food. Right now we're gonna go to Wingstop. Pero yeah guys, we're gonna finish the video right here. I'll see you guys on the next one.